Imagine driving over a bridge and suddenly thinking, is this really safe? Scary thought, right? It's not paranoia, it's reality. Our cities are full of aging bridges, pipelines, power lines, telecom towers, wind turbines, and solar farms. Checking them used to mean dangling humans on ropes or flying helicopters overhead. Dangerous, slow, expensive. Now drones are changing the game. Tiny flying inspectors swoop in with cameras and sensors. They zoom around, snap photos, and scan every inch. They spot cracks thinner than a hair, overheating components, or structural stress invisible to human eye. Think of them as superheroes with propellers. So, why does it matter? Because a tiny problem in these structures can turn into a huge disaster. Pipelines can leak, and a small issue could cost millions. Inspecting wind turbines 200 feet up is extremely risky for humans. Climbing towers 40 floors high just to check rust, definitely not safe. Drones tackle all these problems faster and safer than any human team could. Some even fly under bridges, into tunnels, or around spinning turbines, collecting high resolution images and thermal data in real time. AI then flags potential issues before they become disaster, saving money, time, and lives. Maintenance crew now know exactly where to act before a small issue turns into a disaster. What used to take weeks now happens in hours, and the cost drops dramatically. Of course, drones have limits. Storms ground them, batteries run out, but compared to putting humans at risk hundreds of feet above the ground, it's no brainer. If you are curious, check out these companies that are leading the way in drone based infrastructure inspection. In the next part, we'll see how drones help in disaster management, so stay tuned.